and find the two openings of the hands will be on either side. Hold that and flip the gown like this. And somebody else will tie it and come to it. So you open the glove like this. So if you are right-handed, you wear the right glove first. Okay. So this part is unsterile. So it is going to go inside, so we can touch it with hand. This part is sterile, we should not touch with hand. Hold like this, flip the four fingers, put the thumb first, and then leave it like this. Now when you are taking this glove, and this part can be touched with that hand. Since now we are wearing a sterile glove, this part we can now touch. So release the fold a little bit, make the fold less, and insert your four fingers into that fold and pull it. So now we can use this gloved hand to adjust these fingers. Then pull this glove over the thumb like that. And make a fold. Hold it with your body. Again go inside and pull it. Same thing here. Pull it over the thumb. Adjust the gown, hold it with your body. Go inside. Pull it. Fine.